Mm. Mm. Hi everyone, Noise here, your favorite Noise cooking show, Noise kitchen. Today we make crispy chicken with 3 flavor sauce. In Thai we used to make with fish called pla sam rot. Noise not follow the rule. Today I want to do chicken. You're gonna love this sauce. First we start with chicken. I want a seasoning with the salt, little bit. Cut to small strip like this, you see that? Not too big. Now I'm gonna coat chicken in the flour. Just use plain flour for this one. Mix it all up. Now we get ready to fry the chicken. I'm gonna test my oil. Oh, they're ready. You see the bubble? Now we're gonna cook the chicken nice and crispy. Oil is hot to put the chicken in. I pick up the fish like this. Put it in like this. The secret for deep fry is not too crowded. If you put too much in, the oil temperature is not hot enough. You listen to noise. Make sure the chicken nice and crispy. You see chicken start changing the color. Now stir it up. Drain in a paper towel. Try not to eat the chicken, more cooking to do. Now we make the sauce. Oh, I didn't forgot. Now let's cooking. Why do people not remind me? Can't remember everything. Anyway, let's make the sauce. This one very easy. First over some chili, just mild chili, add some garlic. Gonna make the paste here. You don't want too smooth. Just like this. Put back in the bowl. Now the rest of the sauce. The tamarind, you can buy tamarind in the Asian section now. Look like a sour flavor, and you see the color, the sugar, fish sauce, and you stir it up like this. Let the pan is hot, a little bit of oil. Now we fry the paste. Smell good already. Now we add the sauce. Oh, look at that. Oh, the colorful. Simmer a little bit to sugar dissolve. Now we add the chicken. Look at that. Crispy chicken to all the sauce. It smells so good. Time to serve it up. Look at that. Just sprinkle it with spring onion. Oh, it smells so good. Another winner from Noi. Want me to try? Taste it. So tasty. This one has 3 flavors, sweet, sour, spicy. A little bit spicy, just like Noi.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.